Good morning. We are live. Alright, let's get right into the charts here. So, we start from the daily, right? We're going to mark off our previous day's low. Okay. Okay. Previous day's low. Previous day's high. Right, okay. Let's go to the 4 hour. Looks like we're bouncing off this gap here. Right? Okay. Check the stream. Everything is Gucci. Everything is Gucci. Alright, 1 hour. We're waiting for some kind of levels to be swept here. Looks like we're definitely taking some liquidity from the downside here and potentially, I mean, this is kind of a bearish trend here, but this open is pretty serious on the buys. Let's see the 15. Okay. This is kind of ran through already, this 4 hour. It's kind of irrelevant actually. The 15. Put on my session lows. This is the London high, London low, Asian low, Asian high. Okay, see where midnight is. Okay. The TDI had a shark fin blood and water already for the buys. So that's completed. Looks like we're running stops here. It's a very big candle. Do we push lower? Do we push up to midnight? No, let's see where the volume profile is. This is Friday's previous day's point of control. Okay. We'll see what happens here. Just waiting for this 15 minute to close. It's got another 20 seconds. Let's see where we are in the EMAs. Yeah, okay. I want to see us take out this low actually, from this drop from here is about 50%. We are in a premium of that range. I was pretty bearish, but until this open came in, very difficult to say. Pretty volatile open. Check my stream. All right. Yeah, this is like, I think we just ran stops there. I honestly think we go lower. We go lower. This is low of day. Don't have a low of day. Excuse me. I like to see some closure below this. If we get a closure below, looking for that. Or we continue the longs up. Up to midnight. Right now we're below the previous day's point of control. This is going to be my ideas here. See how this 15-minute closes. Until then, I'm hands off. Let's see what's going on there. No. Not seeing anything here. Let's see. Really interesting. Okay. You have no wick at midnight. Okay. That wants to be taken. Midnight could potentially want to be taken here. Let's see how this shakes out. Midnight is high probability. Midnight is a high probability. Look at this. Crazy open. Definitely running stops. I want to see how this candle forms and the hourly close. Excuse me. You know, if this hourly candle closes bullish above, if we bullish engulf this, we swept the liquidity from this hourly candle. I'm gonna look for longs up to midnight. Look for a pullback. Let's see. Yeah, that'll line up nicely. 50%. I think this is a good level for the longs. If we could stay above this fair value gap on the 15 that's being formed. Check my stream. See if everything is Gucci. Gucci. Alright. Let's clean this up here. I think this candle right here really changed the state of character. We have a break of structure. My BOS. We're retapping into this area. Don't wait for that to form. Don't form an opinion on it yet. Not sure I like the longs. Let's see. Pretty crazy in the open. Okay, so what do we got? We have a 5-minute inversion here. Okay. Okay. I'm surprised we didn't tap this 800 here on the EMAs. That's why I'm having a little bit of a conflicting bias here. No gap created here for the longs. I think that we keep selling off. Yeah, that's not strong enough for the buys. Let's see, next 6 minutes. We start closing down here. I'm gonna look for the shorts. 5-minute. Get rid of this. Here's your 5-minute gap. This is kind of 3 swipes to the low. I kind of like the longs, but we're in this range. I'm having conflicting biases here. Alright, let's see. Oop. Almost touched the button. Let's see what's going on here. Do I want to take the longs up to midnight? It looks like we're bouncing off that 5-minute. This right here. this here. Let's put this. Here's the opening range. Do I like the longs? Order flow is bearish. You know? Excuse me. I think they're going to run this low. I think they're going to run this low. We'll see. If we break below, start closing here. If we close below this, look for shorts. You know what I'm saying? You have an inversion here. I mean, bearish gap. Hmm. 2 minutes left until the hourly close. We're below previous day's low, right? This is bearish order flow. I think that this was just a fake out to take out stops here from the session. Yeah. Get this inversion here. I'm gonna take it down further. Okay. Yeah, it looked like a stop hunt. See what ES is doing. Yeah, that wants to come down. It's not clear. I'll be right back. at it. What are we doing here? A little bit difficult read here. Difficult read. But like I said, we close below this on the 5 minute. I think we do get the sells. I want to see us maybe tap back into this. Get something like this. It looks like it wants to close below this 5 minute inversion. Let's clean that up. Whoops. Okay, close below. Do we want to take shorts? I think we do. I think we want to take shorts, buddy. I think we want to close. I think we want to do shorts. I think we want to do shorts. I think we want to do shorts. Hourly. What a freaking wig. That looks like a mad stop out. Okay. I think we're gonna go ahead and take the shorts. So let's go ahead and take it. Alright, we're in.
Order filled.
I'm just doing it on my other accounts here. Let's see where this stop should be. I want to TP down to here. 40 ticks. Honestly, tap this 800. Once we get to 150 ticks, I will do stops to break even. Managing the trade on other accounts. I don't like how much this popped up though. You know what I mean? Do we get it? Take out these lows. Ran the stops from this session. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. It's Monday. It's Monday. Looks like we retested it. Not closing below it. I think I might want to take stops to break even at some point here. I think I'll go ahead and do that, not to get shaken out. If we get stopped to break even, no worries. Bum bum. Looking good, sellers, looking good. Looking good, sellers. Nice trade, nice trade. Just trail it. Start trailing. The 1 minute. Take out these stops, buddy. Take out these stops. Take out these stops. Order flow is bearish. Come on, hit the 800, bro. Let's go NASDAQ. Come on, keep pushing. 167. This is 630, this one. Just open range low. This is opening range low. Keep pushing down, NASDAQ. You know, it's not about being right, it's about taking money off the table, right? Gotta trail. Have to trail. have to start trailing. I don't know, it's creating some kind of stupid support there. I think I might want to close this. Take out these stops. Take out these stops. I think we go lower here. It's the end of the month. 1 minute left. Take out these stops, buddy. Take out these stops. Take out those stops. 1 minute left. We have the 5-minute inversion here after market open. I think I'm just going to take it off. Excuse me. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. There it is. Come on. There it is. There it is. There it is. Come on. 200 ticks. Looking good. Looking good. It wants to touch that 800. Take out those stops. Take out these stops. Fuck it, give my bread.
Order filled.
All right, chat. We're green on the day. Let me see my executions here. Let's see. Executions, boom. Nice exit, huh? Nice effing exit. Dubs in the chat, dubs in the chat, boom. Yeah, we had this, and then we went all the way down here. I mean, I would have, my stop, my protected stop was here, right? And then, you know, my soft stop was here, so trade would have been invalidated if we broke this. Nice exit, huh? The reason why I exited here, it was discretionary. Also, we were approaching, I think we tapped the open, yeah, the opening range low, which is right here. Okay, so that's when buyers really stepped in. Great exit. Got this 5 minute, let's do it on the 5 minute here. Fucking clean exit, bro. Clean exit. Let's see where we're at in the 15. Yeah, see, didn't want like greedy people here. Retesting, taking from this. If we can get back up here, I'll take another short. We'll see. But we're green on the day. Just got $80. Let's do the markup on this 5 minute. is my markup tool. Excuse me. My exit was clean, dog. My exit was clean. Let's do, this is stop out here. Looks like stops. Took out stops. Took out stops from overnight. Time order flow was bearish. Time frame order flow was bearish. Okay. Not looking for anything else on the day here. I think it might just be one and done. Because Monday, bro, it's the end of the month. Like, if I could just snag something, then I'm chilling, you know. Opening range low. This is a great trade. Great trade. Great trade. We had in alignment with TDI. I like to see continued sales. I like to see continued sales, but if we can get a nice, excuse me, a nice 50%, take out these stops. There's a big ass gap there. That's interesting. Very interesting. Look at that exit, homie. Let's clean this up. Let's clean it up. Looks like we're trying to close above it too. Got 2 minutes left. We're below previous day's low. This is the opening range high. Right. Let's go ahead and mark that off here. Ping range high. Midnight is so far away. Where's midnight? Midnight's over here. Like, it wants to get engaged with at some point. So yeah. This is my trade. Let's take a picture of it. Copy image. Alright, boys and girls. I mean, we've been live for about an hour now. This is my markup. If we get a 50% play, take out these equal lows, my man. These are equal lows now. These are now equal lows. Alright, let's go ahead and take a picture of this. And send it in the Discord. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, now we got some equal lows here. Got some equal lows here. Equal lows. Okay. I want to see us pull into this 5-minute gap here. Let's clean this up. Am I looking to take another trade? Am I looking for another trade here? I think we might be one and done here, boys. This is all low resistance liquidity. These are equal lows created. Do I want to take another sell? Kind of in the middle of the range right now. Let's see us tap this 5-minute. It's approaching 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. Looks like we're kind of in this range. it's lower probability after this point to get a continued sell-off. Looks like we created a nice solid support there, but this is all wants to be ran. I think this is all low resistance liquidity. All of this. I think this might be my trade idea. Short here at this level, take it down to these equal lows. That's my trade idea. For the second idea, let's see. It's a second idea. This will be a tighter risk. Alright, so yeah, this is my trade ideas. This is my executions. Yeah, I think we might cut it there, boys and girls. Thank you for tuning in. That's all I got for you. Dubs on the day. And we out of here. Thank you.